Sumentro naman sa iba't ibang sustainable practices, proyekto at programa na makatutulong sa kalikasan ang idinao sa Joint Sustainability Summit sa Pasay. Sa pangunguna ng Philippine Council of Association and Association Executives o PCAAE at Sustainable PH Incorporated. Nagsama-sama roon ang mga leader at professionals mula sa iba't ibang asosasyon at negosyo. Kabilang sa mga lumoko ang GMA Network na nirepresent ni GMA Kapuso Foundation Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer Ricky Escudero Katibog. Tinampok ang ilang proyekto ng GMA Kapuso Foundation gaya ng community projects, blood donation drive, tree planting at Operation Bayanihan.
Ang GMA Kapuso Foundation, very important ang sustainability sa ating daily operations. It's very important that every project is well thought out para kahit na tumutulong tayo sa ibang tao sa pamamagitan ng ating projects, hindi rin tayo nakakasama, lalo na sa environment.
This summit is a collaboration with Sustainable Philippines because we thought sustainability is an important subject now. It's actually mainstream. GMA, as one of the largest networks, can help us, be more visible, to communicate to others that perhaps we can inspire, to expand sustainability by working together. Because, as I said, this is not just for one entity, but the more we do things together, and the more we can promote and advance sustainability.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.